Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another scrapbook layout share. I've got a gorgeous workshop to share with you today and it's all done from the new catalog. This catalog is starting January to March and let me show you very quickly. This is the paper collection that I'm working with. I use the papers right here, the sticker sheet, the rubber shapes that are really cute, and this gorgeous stamp set right here that comes with thin cuts. So let me walk you through this workshop and I think you're really gonna like it. So this first page here was actually designed by Jennifer Smith, and the rest of the workshop kind of evolved and I took it in a different direction, but this layout right here was designed by Jennifer and I was able to incorporate it in this workshop. So I think that you guys are really gonna like that. Let me reach over here on the side. I want to show you the stamp set and this awesome stencil. Now this stamp set right here, as I mentioned, comes with its own thin cuts, so that is always a bonus and makes the project and the process go by really fast. And then this stencil here, I actually used it throughout the entire workshop and I've used pretty much every images here and it's all about travel. So I will link the information down below if you want to get your very own. So let's go through these layouts together. So this first layout, you can see that there was some stenciling done here with the world map. That is really super pretty. And then there was also here some doodling done just with a white gel pen. This is layout number 2 and I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of little cameras here and there, some stickers, and again a really nice stenciling on the background. I just think that it really elevates this paper collection. And for the last layout, this one right here, let me just move these off so you can see that. This one here, I really liked this pattern paper and this branding strip. I just wanted to feature it in this layout. Again, you've got some really nice techniques here with the stenciling directly on your base page. Let me bring this a little closer. Like these are all stickers. So this layout actually comes together very quickly. So like the details here, you've got the nice stenciling, a little bit of splatter, and then you've got the little rubber shapes. So this is layout number 3, and then you have layout number 2. Let me bring this up close so you can have a good look at all of those details. I think that these pages turned out really nice and they could lend themselves to any trip that you are about to take or maybe that you have taken already. I love this cluster right here of all of the different stamping, really good use of the stamp set. So if you'd like some information on how to get your hands on this assembly guide, that will be listed down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Have yourself a fantastic day and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.